What's up, YouTube? Say, what's up, YouTube? Okay. What's up, you guys? It's your pretty sister, and I'm back with another freaking video. And today's video is like we're making a cake. I didn't want to do this with Karen, so why not? And the ingredients, of course, this white cake. Got chocolate as well. I have sprinkles. What you got? What you got? Frosting.
Happy birthday!
No, it's somebody's birthday. Red. Purple. Blue. And orange. And olive oil. Not olive oil. Vegetable. My bad. Eggs, of course. And it's something else. Oh.
Ready, mommy?
Water. Yes. Okay, the stove is off. So we need something more to do.
Come.
Okay, this is the cake mixture. She my little sushi. Well, I'm her sushi. She the chef. Excuse the stutter. I'm gonna pour this in. See, when every time I open something up, I make the hole too small.
Picture.
No, we're recording. You gonna do it? Here. Not too rough, not too rough. Gently, okay? Gently. Alright, baby.
Yay! Ready?
No, we don't cook that in there. Okay? Ain't no more. So, we're gonna follow. Quit that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna follow instructions, okay? Don't put your hand in there. Quit that. My hand's already washed and stuff like that. Stop! No. Okay, a cup of water. 3 eggs. I'm gonna do the egg for you, okay? Here's one. That's one. That's 2. That's 3. No more. Just 3, okay? I'm gonna let you pour the water in, alright? I think I'm gonna do fat water. I know. We're gonna do water bottle, y'all. We're gonna do water bottle. Stop that. Don't blow in there, okay? We're gonna do a water bottle because I see stuff floating around in that water. Excuse me. You gonna pour this in here, okay? Let me get something to stir it up with, okay? Hold on. Gently, gently, gently. Did I pour? No, I don't think I poured too much. I want you to
Ever, did you eat the pea? One in and no. Color tape, Mr. Meal, Mr. Tape.
Yeah, keep stirring. Keep stirring. No, keep stirring.
What is it?
And then we're gonna put some oil in here. Hold on. Let's put some oil in here, okay? I put this much, y'all. That might be a little bit too much, but this is the oil. It's fresh. It's just the bowls. That's all. All right. Let me do this oil, okay? Hold on. Let me stir it for you. It's watery, y'all. Be like that. Not watery, but like somewhat runny. Yes. Here you go. I wish I had a blender. When I was younger, I used to bake a lot. Let me see something. Can I pour this in there? Oh, Canary, no. Let me cough. Yeah, let me cough on this cake. Egg white. Oh my god. It's the egg whites, not the whole egg. That's why it's like yellowish. I was trying to figure out why it's yellow. That's why. It's okay. It's okay. It's still gonna be good. Alright, you wanna taste it? Let's see what it's. Oh, I got water in the. Oh. No, here you go. No, you got some. Lick it. That's good. Look, give me this. You're supposed to eat it, not let it drip. You got it, you got it, you got it. We've been mixing for the longest. And I also cook. I just fried some tenders and baked some mini tater tots and boiled like some vegetables. And I'm gonna bake some bread. enough, okay? You're done, alright? Here you go. You can eat it, okay? Okay, let's get you out the way. I need that container down there. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put flour at the bottom so it won't stick. And on the sides. No, it's done. It's done. It's done, okay? Oh my gosh. Don't do that. Get that off of me. No, leave this cake alone. You can't just keep putting that fork in here when your mouth been on that fork. I am not playing. No. Look, I'm gonna let you pour it, okay? You gotta hold on. Canary, stop, okay? We mixed the cake up.
Whoa!
Get down. I need you to get down, please.
It's my cupcake.
Yes. We're not making a cupcake. I don't have no food coloring. And even if I had food coloring, I don't got no cupcake pen. Put it back in there. Stop that. Get down. Leave the eggs alone. Yes. Give me this. This is, I'm finna wipe it here. Wipe that mess up right there. Wipe it up. Comment down below if I'm doing something wrong. Like, do y'all do this? Wipe out the water in there before you put the cake in there? 'Cause I did say when you put flour at the bottom. What is it? Not too much. Let me see this.
I'm right here.
No, I'm gonna do this part, okay? And I'm gonna let you pour that stuff in. You know what I forgot? I forgot to butter the pan. I told you no. Stop. I forgot. Don't. I done forgot about the whole butter thing. No, don't do that. Let me see this. Let me do this freaking.
With a piece in my hands.
There you go.
Mommy.
And the rest, dump it out. Like I know what I'm doing. Don't do that. All right. Look, we finna pour that.
I need it.
We finna pour it in there, okay?
Do it.
Don't do that. No. We finna pour the cake mixture in there, okay?
My cake.
I said no. Listen. Where that box at? All right, it ended. So the oven is already preheated to 350, like it said on the box, 350.
The what?
Don't put nothing in there, okay? So right now we're finna pour this in this pan. I'm about to say, don't put your hand in there.
I did.
What?
He did.
I said it right there. Okay. Let me get something. No.
Oh, no.
We gotta put this in the oven. You gotta get down first. Oh my God. Don't get too close to this oven, okay? There you go. High five. Good job. There you go. You see. And I'll say about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends because I did put that yolk in there, so yeah, it depends. See, these are the mini tater tots. Yeah. So we'll show y'all the cake when it's done, and we're about to eat. So bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Say mwah. What's up, you guys? I'm back. Okay, this is what the cake looks like, and it looks pretty. That little black stuff on the top, I think that came from the rails, because I've put some rolls in the oven, so I'm not sure when I pull the pan out that black stuff. Huh? Where you put the baby at?
In the bed?
On the bed?
Yes.
This is what it looks like. I'm gonna let it cool down.
Come on. It's Susie. Come on, it's baby. Come on. My baby. My baby.
Why you put her in here?
The baby watching.
Come on, you play in the dark. Come on.
It's Doctor. It's Doctor. I'm fighting my baby. Oh no.
Don't mind those clothes over there. I gotta wash them. And this is what my food looks like. Some corn mixed with green beans and carrots, mashed potatoes, chicken tenders, and the roll. These rolls, I love these rolls. I think that was helping me gain weight. Because I was eating a whole bunch of them when I would cook them. But yes, I'm about to eat. And hold on, I make some. Oh shoot. I made some sauce, ranch, and some hot sauce. Mixed it together. So in Canary, she got the same thing, and she got ranch with her tenders. So right now we're just watching TV. I'm not sure what to turn. Because we're gonna watch a movie. Let's watch a movie, okay? Let me go cut that alarm off the oven. I like that oven. I don't think many ovens have like alarms on it. Sorry for the skin exposure. But yes, we're gonna watch a movie. Sit down! Sit down, come on. Put crumbs on the ground like that. Come on. Come on. Sit down with your cold feet. And I haven't ate since I cooked breakfast. And I drank some kombucha. Like, it's this type of brand, but it don't really say kombucha. It's just what it is. You wanna watch Pac-Man and the Ghostly Adventures?
No.
You wanna watch? What you wanna watch then? Let's finish watching 17 again. You wanna watch Sabrina? You wanna watch Sabrina? We've been watching the Sabrina show. Sabrina, the animated series. The Witch. Okay, sit down then. So we're gonna eat. So I'll see y'all guys somewhere about to decorate the cake. And yes, I always have this on. It's my Mumu. Mama Mumu nightgown. Okay, y'all, we back. This is what the cake look like. And she trying to open up the icing. Ooh. Well, I need something a little bit higher. You see, like, oh, it's not gonna do that. Oh man, damn it.
It's purple.
This what it looks like. I dug in it right there, like right there. It's slashed. It's good, y'all. Quit! Come on, some girl. I think I just want to do color block. I don't know. Just make it like. Oh, hold on. Let me see.
Him do it. Mommy.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
Hold on. I think I'm just gonna do like a color block type thing, cause you see how, like, you can make it like. Stop. Get that out of there. But you can make the thing big or small. She just doing stuff. Look. I'm gonna show you something, okay? Hold on. Don't start that stuff. Don't be whining, you know. Hold on. Let me just draw lines and you can just fill it in. See, I wish I had a tripod that y'all can like see what I'm doing right now. But right now I'm just drawing lines and stuff. And the other icings that I have, she could just fill it in like that. Instead of red lines. It's looking like what? Looking crazy. Ooh. Oh, don't do that. Stop. The blue is, I think the blue is off limits. Let me see. It won't even come out. Or this one. Because you bit all of them. Let me see. She be getting on my nerves, like, I swear, like. Wait, hold on, Stop, hold up, stop. Hold on, this ain't even purple. This ain't purple. This blue. They said this purple. What is this? It got a hole right there. I need it. But I don't care. Situations, not sure. Never see me again. Do y'all listen to this cartoon? Like, y'all know, y'all don't. Y'all listen to the same thing over and over and over and over. Urge. Look at her. I ain't tell her to go. I'm not even done. Look, I'm not done yet. Y'all see the red, the purple. It look blue, but it's purple, I swear. Then I'm gonna use this urge. So bear with me, okay? Bear with me, okay? What's going on here? Don't do that. Stop! That's what I told you to stop. Oh, wait. Yo, oh my gosh. Hello, man.
It's mine. Mine?
This mine.
Mommy.
You know I love pink. You know I love it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Don't put it in one section. In one section. This how moist it is, like. Ooh. Never seen you. Never seen you. Go in there and watch Princess and the Frog.
No!
We gonna eat this bootleg cake. We gonna eat it. I am. I am.
I'm gonna do it. What's that now, Mommy?
You gotta wash it. You gotta wash it. Stop. That's nasty. I don't care if it just no. You had to wash this tonight. What you doing with it? Hold on, let me hear. Like, I even trying to fix it and want to dip the knife back in there. That's why she was crying a while ago. See, you see what I'm talking about? Quit!
Happy birthday.
No, I ain't happy dang birthday. Get your piece. Hold on. Let me cut it. The way it look bad, but the cake really good. This cake ain't coming up. Here you go. You're gonna piss me off. I have to cut her a little piece. Go on, get away from that stuff. Come on, get down. Get down.
Happy birthday.
It's not no happy birthday.
Cake. Oh no. It's all.
No. Give it to me. Go sit down, eat your cake. But this was, yeah, the cake. It's not finished. I just want to do something with her. So, but she was dipping that knife in the cake in her mouth and try to put the knife back into the cake. No. But please like, comment, and subscribe. This is like a little short, long video, and it's okay. And it's more to come. Please like, comment, subscribe. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. You know, so you can know when my videos post. Just give me a sub so I'm gonna give you one. But thank y'all for tuning in. I look a little ranch. I always look a little ranch on this camera. It's okay. No man, like it. Say bye bye. Say see ya. See ya. But yes.